Good morning everyone and welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Nilo and I am your teacher for today's session. Today, we are going to discuss another lesson. It's all about speaking skills and pronunciation. Are you now ready? Okay, you should be ready. But before that, let me read to you our adjectives. So, identify the main idea and key details from top down and bottom up processing. Our first objective is understand and use 3 to 5 key expressions from the scene. Second one, summarize the scene in their own words. And lastly, practice note-taking using the Cornell method. So that was our objective for this session. Let's proceed. So, at this time, let me ask you, are you now ready? Okay, have you ever felt like giving up? Yes? Okay, what did you do to keep it going? Okay, very good. So, sometimes we cannot deny the fact that we are in the times that we need to give up. But what did you do to keep it going? Okay, we should always what? Think positive things that make ourselves or make our life easy, better. Very good. What a nice idea you share. Yes, it is important not to giving up. The first important thing is it's all about our dreams. We're always keep grinding. We are keep always pursuing the good things in order for us to have a what? Better life, to achieve our dreams. Because when we surrender and if we don't keep it going, if we stop grinding and when we stop pursuing our dreams, yes, and that is the time that we fail in our life. That's why no matter what happened in our life, please, student, do not give up. Okay? And now, I introduce to you the phrase, just keep swimming. Okay? What does it mean? Okay, this story is all about Finding Nemo. The scene here is when Dory and Father of Nemo is under the dark side of the ocean. So Dory said to Nemo's father to just keep swimming. So what does it mean by this phrase? Do you have any idea? Yes, do you have an idea about this? Okay, very good. For you, this phrase, it means don't give up. Just keep swimming. Okay, I can tell you later what does it mean and what the scene is. Okay, are you now ready to, what do we call this one? Are you now ready to know? Yes, one of your classmates says that just keep swimming is, okay, don't give up. Another one? Yes? Okay, very good. Keep going. Stay positive when the thing is hard. You should always keep your mind or keep in your mind a positive things every day. Yes, because that is our motivation in life. What else? Okay, very good. Try again and try. There are times that we failed in our life, but we need to try it again time and time until we met and until we get our goals to succeed or to be successful. What else? Okay, very good. She means keep trying. Don't stop and stay hopeful. Sometimes we lose our hope, but we need to what? Okay, conquer and face all the challenges that we encountered in our life in order for us to have what? Better life. Because when we surrender, when we quit, okay, we are the one who lose our dreams in life. And now, have you seen image of Dory? Yes, very good. Okay, so Dory is Dory is one of the friends of Nemo's father. Okay, Dory is the one who always support. Okay, always support. Okay, Nemo's father, because sometimes Nemo's father, he lost his confidence. He give up sometimes because he didn't see or find Nemo because Nemo is lost. Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so at this time, you need to listen from the different what we got different part of the scene. So now you should keep listening, because later you are going to what? Because you are going to go here in front and pronounce some word you heard from our lesson. Okay, now, so what are the words you heard from the lesson? Okay, just keep swimming. So Dory always told to or say to Nemo's father that just keep swimming, trust me. So don't worry, trust me, it's gonna be okay. So we can do this. So that are words that we what do we call this one? Here from the video clip you already heard a while ago. So now distribute a Cornell note-taking template, explain what students should listen for. So what is the main idea? What is happening? What happened into this situation or in this scenario, in this scene? Nemo's father lost his what do we call this one? Self-confidence, or what do we call this? Aside from self-confidence, he tried to give up, but Dory did is to motivate Nemo's father to don't lose his hope, never give up. No matter what happened, never give up. Yeah, it's okay. Dory told to Nemo's father to trust me. It's gonna be okay. Okay, so next, what is the main message of the scenario? No matter what happened, please do not lose your hope. So did you understand? Thank you very much, and I hope you've learned a lot from our session today. Once again, my name is Teacher Nilo, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye!